this gonna be a cozy fall video? The chill just gave me a little nostalgia.
Why is it hot now? I'm not okay. This is my favorite song right now. Let's quickly run through the haul. Just finished editing one of my brand deals. I don't care if I get a migraine. As long as the fit is fire. Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry. Good morning. I've made my coffee and I feel like poo. Straight poo. I don't know what's going on with me. Last night I had this milia around my eye and it's basically built up keratin that's like underneath my eye and you have to like take it out. It doesn't go away. It's not like a pimple. And so I was picking at it and now it hurts and I didn't even end up getting it out. So that's just great. My hair is greasy. It's giving stringy and it's overstimulating me. So it's like the hair combined with my freaking eye. Now it feels like swollen and like I can't see. My contact lens prescription is all wrong. It's just not a good time.
Okay.
But anyway, at least I have my coffee. So you better fix my life, girl. Yeah. Delicious. Anyway. Hi, how are you doing? Sorry for the little, energetic, passionate intro. Today's a new day, so let's try to make it better. I'm gonna chug this coffee and... Beanie! He just went poo, so he has the zoomies. Anyway, I'm gonna chug this coffee, try to feel better. Then we're gonna go do some movement. Like, let's go exercise. Let's get all this negative energy out of the body. And then we can finally wash my hair because... Oh, don't piss me off, girl. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Oh, hi. I feel like sometimes he knows when I'm like angry. Anyway, after I get some sweat on, then I can wash my hair because then I just feel like it's more worth it, you know? Okay. Okay, let's get this day started. This is the outfit. We are ready to go hiking. She is fully covered. I got my hat. I got my UV shirt because your girl's not getting skin cancer. Oh my God, I forgot I have to put sunscreen on. I will be doing that. But anyway, I have my banana because I need to eat something before I work out. And then I have my Bose Ultra Open earbuds. A mouthful, I know. These are really, really good for like when you're working out outside by yourself as a woman, as a female girl, because then you can hear like your surroundings and it's just a little bit more safer. You know, I love these. Anyway, let's go for our little hike. Yay!
Guys, I'm in the car. I made it. Finally. Every time I leave the house, I'm like, why are there so many things I have to figure out, right? But anyway, we're in the car. The car is on. She's warming up. Today is a very chilly day in LA, and I'm honestly like, I feel so comforted by it, or it feels so good to be chilly just because it's been so hot ever since I moved in, basically. So I feel like fall's coming and it's giving cozy vibes. Like, is this gonna be a cozy fall video? Dude, I miss the freaking cozy fall, Bay Area, Northern California vibes. Like, the chill just gave me a little nostalgia. I was like, wait, I feel like I'm at home. You know? But yeah, it just feels good. But I'm honestly kind of scared to go hiking because I don't think I wore enough, but the thumb holes are on. So hopefully that'll be enough. But anyway, let's go. I'm stalling.
Bro, why is it hot now? I'm confused. I thought this was gonna be easier, but I haven't been hiking in a long time, so now I'm struggling. Guys, I'm not okay. I don't know what happened. I'm fine. I'm just in a lot of itchiness and uncomfortableness right now, and like my entire lower body / midsection is on fire. I actually feel like I have hives or something. Dude, I was trying not to scratch like while I was hiking. I was going up and it was fine because it was hot, and then like for some reason as I was going down, like it got windy and then I got cold, and then every time I get cold while I'm hiking, I get insanely itchy. Bro, my hands are like underneath my leggings, underneath my shirt, like scratching furiously. The people are probably like, girl, what are you doing? But dude, it's still so itchy. This always happens. Like, it's like I can't hike if it's cold or something. I have to be like in sweltering heat or else I'm gonna be like insanely itchy. But oh my God, I just need to sit here for like a little bit and just chill because I'm getting overstimulated, like extremely overstimulated. Okay, I feel better now. I still feel a little frazzled because my body is currently freaking out, I think, and it's recovering, but it's fine. Let's go to Trader Joe's. I need some comforting vibes right now, and I need some yogurt, so we're gonna go do that. Let's go. This is my favorite song right now. I've literally been replaying it over and over and over again. It's so good! I hope this doesn't get copyrighted. I am only going to Trader Joe's because I ran out of yogurt. I did get the yogurt, but unfortunately I did get other things, as you can tell, but it's fine. Everything looks good, so I just wanted to get them all. But anyway, let's quickly run through the haul. First thing, sockeye salmon. I just love smoked salmon. It's like one of my favorite foods, I feel like. Chicken sausage for convenience, and I've never tried this flavor. Go mackerel bar, just because I've never tried this flavor, and I just wanted to try it out, you know? Japanese sweet potatoes, of course. I've never tried this before, but this is red tart cherry juice, and people have been saying it's really good for sleep, and I have been having a lot of trouble sleeping, so we'll try this and see if it helps. It's supposed to like calm you down. It's supposed to have melatonin, all the good stuff, you know? Almond milk, of course, for my coffee. I got this Greek yogurt with coconut cream. This looks absolutely delicious, so maybe I'll eat this now. It looks really good. Yogurt, of course, some heavy cream because I want to make some cold foam. And then I got this. I've actually never bought in whipped cream before, but I got this so I could put it on these strawberries that I got. And then this is so random and out of character. I got sauerkraut. I've never tried sauerkraut before, so we'll see if it's good. It's giving pickles or like kimchi, but not spicy. I'm excited to try this. Of course, we got some beans over here. We got black beans, kidney beans, and then I got some white beans, and then some Italian truffle cheese. I don't remember, but like a couple years ago, Trader Joe's stocked this truffle cheese that was delicious, and I really hope this is similar because that one was so good, and then they stopped selling it. They discontinued it. It was called like Toma truffle or something. So if this is very similar, I'm gonna be so excited. And I got these little crunchy peanuts, and of course I just got some water to fill my coffee machine with. But yeah, this is the haul, and I'm gonna go put it away, and we're gonna go make something to eat because I'm hungry. Guys, oh, I finally cut up all of these freaking strawberries. It took me forever, but it was kind of relaxing at the same time. But anyway, this is what we're having for breakfast slash lunch slash, I don't even know. It's meal time. We're gonna try the coconut cream Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, yes. Oh, the coconut smells so good. And then I have strawberries here. I wanted to put granola, but I want to try it by itself first. Cheers, guys. There's like little pieces of coconut inside, and it's really sweet. I don't know how to feel about that. I don't like the pieces. It's okay. Yeah, it's really sweet, but it's not bad. Also, my hair is so wet. I washed it finally. Nice and clean. Yeah. Okay. Plan for today. Let's see what we have to do. I gotta take pictures of my coffee table. I'm trying to sell it because it's way too big for my space. I need to edit my vlog. I need to film for a brand deal. Also, I need to post a brand deal. Yeah. That's the plan. Afternoon pick-me-up. Yeah. I'm planning to roast these in my little mini oven so I can have some baked sweet potato, my favorite. Hi guys. I'm in my room, as you can tell. I just finished editing one of my brand deals, and it's for this brand called Almonds, and they make stroopwafels, if you guys didn't know, and they're so good. They're literally like one of my favorite little sweet treats. Basically, they're these like Dutch waffles with caramel inside. It's so ooey gooey and so good. But anyway, I just finished editing the video, but I need to add a voiceover. So that's what I'm doing right now. I wasn't planning on filming, I guess, the process of me editing just because I feel like it's weird. Like I'm just like on my phone. So it looks like I'm not working. But I swear, like I'm working, okay? Anyway, let's do my voiceover. I gotta put lip balm on. It's weird, but like I feel like when I talk too much, my lips get hella dry. So I need to keep them moisturized. Yeah. Let's get with the voiceover. I wrote it down. Sometimes I'll do my voiceovers just off the cuff, but sometimes I'll write it down if I have a video that's a little bit more structured. And this one is. This is a really fun video. I can't wait to post this one. Like I actually am so excited. It's like one of my favorite videos ever. Anyway, I'm gonna do my voiceover. I'm not gonna let you guys hear it because I want you guys to watch the video when I upload it. So random, but I just unboxed these hats that I got from Markari. They're literally the cutest things ever. Ever since I lost my freaking French hat in Paris, I decided that I needed to get more little paperboy hats. I don't even know what the silhouette's called. I think it's like either newsboy hat, cadet hat. They have a little bit of a difference in the shape, but let me show you. This one is less lumpy. This is what she looks like. I love it. It's black, it's simple, it's small. Like I don't like when the brim is too out there, you know? I just think it's so cute and it suits my head shape. And then the next one is this blue. This is so cool and I love the stitching. Guys, the rivets, what do you mean? This was made for me. It's slightly tight, but we'll make it work. I don't care if I get a migraine. As long as the fit is fire, yeah. Hello? Hello? It's giving choo-choo train. I love it. Ah, it's so cute! Okay guys, this is my dinner. I made this bone broth over the past like 3 days and it took literally forever. I was basically extracting the good bone broth, all the collagen, all the good yummy marrow, all of that yummy stuff is in here. It took me like 2 days, but she's gorgeous. And then I have some meat in here, some daikon, kimchi, rice, and this is the meal. And she's gorgeous. And it looks delicious. And I have to eat it like right now because I'm so hungry. Oh, yes. So good. I forget how good like just a clear soup is with meat and like plain vegetables. This is fire. Apparently some people put their like kimchi juice inside. I'm gonna eat my dinner, watch some Netflix, of course, yes. And then we'll see where the day takes us. Maybe a little cozy cookie time. Dessert? Like what? Yeah, I think so. I think we need that. So good. What the heck? It's so creamy and what? Guys, remember when I said that I wanted to do like a little cozy night in, like we were gonna have a little cookie, make the vibes good, feel a little better about being alive? Unfortunately, I have forced myself to do work. If I have this thing, I can't do anything unless it's done. So I gotta finish this. Like, I just cannot relax until this vlog is done. That's just the vibe. So maybe our cozy night in is just gonna have to wait until tomorrow. Also, like, why am I so bloated? I'm like burping so much from that sweet potato, or was it from my dinner? Like, I don't know. Anyway, gotta figure this out. So I will see you later. Or maybe tomorrow, if I'm just gonna go to sleep after this. We'll see.